Hey guys, what's up? And thanks for stopping by my channel, SimplyCrystalMichelle. Before we go any further, don't forget to hit that notification bell. If you're new, go ahead and subscribe because I have so much awesome content on my channel. And as always, welcome, especially to my new subscribers and of course the people that have been following and supporting me for years. But I really want to share with you guys something I'm super excited about. It is the Qimistri hair towel. This is what it looks like. It's Qimistri with a Q. And what I love about it is not only is it in this beautiful red, look how awesome this is, guys. It's made with organic cotton. It's super soft. It lays your hair down flat. You're able to, use it to not only dry your hair, but also you can make a headband out of this. Yes, this you can make a headband out of. And you can also make a hair wrap of it. And of course, you can not only use it on this side, guys, but you're getting more for your buck because you can use it on the black side as well. So stay tuned so I can show you guys how I use this product and use it to pretty much vamp up some of my styles. Stay tuned. So right here, this is the Qimistri towel. And it has a very, very unique look to it. I'll definitely include some shots for you guys so you can see. It's almost like a cross between a towel and a t-shirt. So if you're like me, a natural who loves to use like a really nice soft cotton t-shirt in order to pretty much dry my hair, then this is the look for you. So I'm going to demonstrate the 3 different ways that I use this towel. So first off, this is just how it looks like. It has 2 end pieces right here, and pretty much I'm just going to take the towel and I'm going to fold it in quarters. I guess that's the best way to describe it. I'm gonna fold it once, then fold it again like so, and then I'm going to fold it one more time, and now I have created my headband. So I'm just going to go ahead and take it like so, flip it over. I already have my hair up in a cute little puff. And then I'm going to take these 2 end pieces that are here and tie it. Oh, this is so awesome. I just think it's a cute look to spice up your outfits, or also like a great product to use if you're like going to the spa or something like that. That's the first thing that came to mind. And then I'm gonna go ahead, and once I've tied it like so, I'm going to take one end and tuck it underneath, and take the other end and tuck it like so. I think we're gonna tuck this one up here. So as you guys can see, this product was really easy to like create this headband, and that's only one of the uses that you can use this headband for. What do you guys think? You know what I think will be awesome? I'm going to definitely add a little bit of edge control on, so hold on one second. Okay, great. So now that we've added some edge control on, I think it just gives this like a whole new look. I just always love that. I feel like no matter what, whether I'm rocking like a twist out or whatever it is that I'm doing, whenever I just add some edge control and I swoop my edges, all of a sudden it's like, oh, okay girl, I see you. So that is the first look using the headband. Now I'm going to show you guys how I use this towel to make a head wrap. And I think head wraps are awesome to use in the summertime. I think they like help to spruce up any kind of look. If you're having a good hair day, a bad hair day, if you want to pile your twist up on top of your head, even if you're just walking around the house and you want to feel comfortable, I just think it's an awesome thing. So I'm just gonna go ahead and fold this in half once. That's all you need. And I also think I'm gonna rock this on the red side. I think I'm just gonna switch this up a little bit. Then I'm going to take it and put it behind my head like so, and I'm going to once again tie it like so. Take this longer part that's up here, and we're just going to go ahead and tuck that in. And go ahead and retighten it And I love that it's reversible. So now you're getting this pretty red side of it, which is just really cute. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and secure it by tying it one more time. Then I'm gonna take one end and tuck it behind, and the other end, tuck it behind. And voila, we have a head wrap. Oh my gosh. So for some of you guys who love to order those head wraps online, and sometimes they're a little like stiff or hard to like work with, like look how easy this was. I'm just gonna go ahead and give you guys a little all the way around. This is really cute. I actually might rock this tomorrow to work. I love this look. So this is the second way you can use this head wrap. You can use it on the black side, on the red side, so you're getting a lot for your money. It's organic cotton, which is awesome. So it's going to be soft on your hair. It's not going to cause any frizz. And my favorite part about this is like if your hair is drying, you can literally like use the inside of the towel to dry your hair while still rocking it in a fashionable way. And now I'm going to show you guys the last way I use this product to dry my hair. Oh, hey guys. Did you notice something different? Yep, I went ahead and switched it over again. So here's my favorite part of what this towel is used for, a towel. So I'm just gonna go ahead and walk you through the steps of how I use this as an actual towel. And also, if you guys didn't know, Qimistri is dropping their body butter, which smells so amazing. That is Qimistri with a Q, and you can pre-order it. So I'll leave all that information down below as well. But this butter smells like strawberries dipped in chocolate. Like it smells like Valentine's Day in your hair or on your body. It is organic cocoa butter, organic strawberries. It has pure argan oil. It has 100% vitamin E, which is good, you know, for scarring and things like that. It has arrowroot powder and fragrance. So I love that I can read this and know everything that's in it. It's soft, it's whipped, it's creamy. It's not too heavy, but it's also not light. And what I like to do is I go ahead and I just do a good conditioning treatment, usually a nice co-wash or something like that. I come out, I use the towel to scrunch my curls and just take out some moisture until it's a little damp, which is the purpose of this. But what I love about it is that it's not causing any frizz like that, because this is made out of organic cotton and bamboo. So just let your curls just, you know, take out some moisture without frizzing it up. And then I go ahead and I just take some of that butter and I just slap it on my hair and I just rake it through. Of course, I add my gel. And then once I'm done adding my gel, I put my hair in chunky twists, and then I go back again and use the towel on the other side to pretty much as like a little head wrap or like a little towel turban. And then I just let my hair air dry with the turban on, and then I take it out the next morning and I'm ready to go, guys. So there's so many different things you can use with this towel. It's $39.95. Don't forget that you can actually go to their site like right now, like write this down, do this, and sign up and get a 10% discount off. Or you can also contact them directly through their form to get that contact code, and then you can go ahead and apply it and take 10% off of this amazing turban. I really enjoyed it. I'm definitely going to use it. I'm definitely going to go back and get the black and gray one because I just love the versatility of it. So let me know what you think down below, and as always, happy healthy hair journey, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye.